It's a beautiful day today. The sun is shining and the weather is sweet. Makes you wanna move your dancing feet to the rescue. We're jamming. Mocha is jamming. I wanna jam with you. Every roots, every rock, we can do it anyhow. Na 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 na. Got to love some Bob Marley songs. What's your favorite Bob Marley song? Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this one today. It's some Ackee and Saltfish Pasta with some beautiful nature scenes, the birds whistling in the wind, and just the joy of the simplicity of nature. Jamie's going to be leading this one today. Wish him all the best and let me know what you think in the end, guys. Ackee is poisonous if not cooked or cleaned properly. So he's definitely making sure he gets out all of that pink stuff, removing the seed. That way there's no catastrophe while filming. What do you guys think? Did you do this ackee and saltfish pasta justice? Looking at it, it could take a little bit more color. We wanted to add some sweet pepper, some scotch bonnet and scallion and all that stuff, but the farm wasn't being too generous this morning. We didn't have any, so we just had to use what we had. Still turned out good, I think. And here we have Jamie giving it his stamp of approval. Bye guys.